they're doing now, part of the upgrade.
This is the widened. Now here you can see this is all, everything had to be recessed back.
Got you.
The wider track
For
the width. But you're going to see the amount of work now on this corner, which is T12. This is T11. So another 30 mils is coming on here.
Got you.
Okay. And then I'm hoping we can get in here. They're busy laying, so we may. Oh yeah, we get up where that little blue car is. We'll get up, but you can see this corner here. And in fact, there's 2 more trees that Fear's insisting go, because they, as the guys come in here, I mean, look at all these connection points, etc., that have to be protected. So we've got to lay this up, and they're worried about the speed coming into the corner.
This corner.
Yeah. So, but because you're just about going to be able to go flat out, take it absolutely flat out.
Yes.
So, to the finish line. I mean, so you can imagine if you are racing for first place, you know,
on this corner, what's going to be on this corner here? Nothing.
This
on
is
this corner,
straight in.
But I mean, spectator-wise, nothing on that side.
There's nothing. I'll show you where the grandstands are. And now you can see all of this coming in, and now we get up towards the start and the finish, which is where the water bowser is. Jeez. So on the shared fields here, we start our grandstands. These are fantastic grandstands. So here we got 9,700 seats that we're putting up on the shared fields. And this is it, demarcated, first, second, third, you know, bomb, 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 twos. And let's not forget that this is a whole day of experiences, because you've got the qualies. And
absolutely.
the qualies, as you know, are shooting.
Oh man, it's such an experience.
So exciting. I mean, it really is.
What's going in this side?
That's the huge Emotion Club, the Bossy Emotion Club, which is going to be, it's crazy, it's probably going to be the most sophisticated structure ever put up in South Africa. So then you come out of your start finish, you cross, and you go to the incoming lane.
Got you.
Not where we are now.
Yeah.
And where you see them working is a runoff. So if they don't make the corner,
got a bit of a runoff. Got you.
You're going to go here. So now we are on the outside, remember?
Got you.
So we'll just do a little bit of e-driving.
This car is beautiful, man.
Goes so nicely. And then in between here, you can see the middle mannequin's been removed.
Yes.
And that's because the car's now headed up left over here, where this has all been tarred and laid in. And then we take an inside this circle, and we go left into Granger Bay Boulevard with a little turn. And then, as you see straight ahead,
a lot of work being done there.
Huge amount of work. Just pits. Now all the pits we're going to get to shortly. Okay. I'll get you to the pits shortly. They come out of here at the McDonald's corner. They come out here opposite the stadium as well.
Got you.
Onto this. Now here we've got on the left-hand side grandstands 2, all the way down here is grandstand territory.
And this is
beautiful
flat out.
Viewing.
This is such, I mean, these cars are going to be flat out long,
So all that tar's coming in here, another layer. You can see how this has already been done. And then we're into, this has got another bit of final to come as well, just that extra 30 mils that comes in. And then there is a hard right there. Around this very tight corner and back out to dampen the speed.
Yes.
And then you can see all the sub bases done here. This will next week be receiving its tar. So this all finishes up. And then you're down to Beach Road. And of course these cars' acceleration is insane. So by the time they get here, they really are quick.
Spectator-wise,
guess what? We've had to do, no spectators here, we had to do a runoff as well.
As well,
so the cars had to go straight. And then hard left, that's going to have to go. That's the final bit, and then you're onto Beach Road. And I mean, look at this. Right?
Oh,
these cars, of course, are all not here. Where
how
the races
special
are.
is
but
this?
I mean, look at this.
This is just
you got the stadium on your left. You're screaming down here at high speeds. Lots of potential overtaking. And down past the Water Club. A right-hander. This is T8 that I'm going to now. And then you've got the Radisson, and just after the Radisson we've got T9, and there's a bit of mods required here, which we're busy talking about with Fear.
Okay.
Because the cars will come out of this very, very quickly. And
they
drift to the right.
Need a bit of a runoff area.
Gotta have a little bit of runoff area, so we're working on that. That's a final addition from Fear, based on the simulation that they've done.
Yes.
Stands all the way along here. This is a beautiful viewing area. And then it's left here into the Fritz Sonnenberg, and you can see all the work that's been done.
Yes, absolutely.
Here, and we're down Fritz Sonnenberg, and it's a left-hander and up, and it's foot flat once more. Wow. And we're racing along here at high speed into T11 over here to the left here. So they've got a really, but remember, it's not just braking.
No, correct.
It's also using the the regeneration.
Absolutely.
Foot off, etc. And then we into this T12. Might be the fastest corner, you know, on the Formula E circuit as well, based on what I heard yesterday.
Yeah.
Because the guys probably won't lift up. They'll just
flat out through there.
Sadly, can't take you down there. But what I can do, having started at the beginning, is take you to the pits. So the cars come straight. This has all been redone, as you can see.
Got you.
And there's a bit of finishing work still required. But up we get to the pits, and the pits are. And we've just, by the way, ordered all the garaging, etc. It's a massive job.
Yeah.
And I can't drive. Well, I'm not going to drive.
No, don't chance it through there with those gaps. But yeah, this is going to be the
I
pits.
want to show you. So this is, we'll just do this. We'll do it carefully. There we go. And now here are the pits. And as you can see, they're designed to have a central little area open.
Yes.
11 teams in total. So 22 cars. And this is all here, as you can see.
Unbelievable.
How beautiful is this? So the mountains around.
This is
all built up and developed as this is where the cars will come out of the pit lane, out of the garages, and out of the garages and back. Here we go, and back to.
How special is this?
And then we return. Let's do this over here. I mean, Cape Town, South Africa has never had anything like this. I mean, there's never been a street race, and boy. People say, why Cape Town? It's very simple.
Jeez, why not? Look at this place.
Cape Town speaks for itself.
Absolutely.
I mean, if you're in South Africa and you love your country, where are you going to select to show the world
Cape
the
Town.
best?
Without a doubt.
And frankly, where would you go? You can't go anywhere that's better than this.
Nowhere.
Because of the nature of what the circuit is.
Absolutely.
So I think it's...
Ian, this is a spectacular circuit.
All to play. It's going to become... I think it's going to become a loved circuit.
Yes,
and that's what I'm excited about.
Yes.
It's a team effort. City of Cape Town, thank you. They are the reason we're here. They're the reason they have funded this track, by the way. And then, of course, to Alan Windy and his cabinet and to everybody within the province, they too have stepped up in a big way. We have weekly meetings with a SWAT team of interdepartmental heads to talk about, are there issues? Are we stuck anywhere? What can we do to... And they're right there. So this is for South Africa.
I love this.
But it's here in Cape Town.
Thank you, City of Cape Town. Thank you, Alan Windy, our Premier Extraordinaire, and Jordan Hill-Lewis. What a great guy.
Old school
mate of mine. Alma mater.
Alma mater.
Lekker, Ian. Thanks a stack for this.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
Appreciate it.